up, you guys? My name is Mac. This is Cherry Bomb, and we're back at the Roachworks garage to apply some stickers and decals because they're cool. So I want to show you so far what we already have and then what we're going to do. So we don't have a whole lot so far. You'll remember that we had the flags originally, but now we have the hammer down logos and then this awesome Roachworks garage logo. And so everything is going to be matte black, because some stickers were matte black, some were gloss black, and so we're doing everything matchy-matchy. And then also it matches this B pillar right here, which is cool design. So let's see what we're doing today. Okay, so this is the hood decal, which we're gonna put on in a minute, and then we also have some TacomaBeast bed decals, which are gonna be great. And we're gonna get rid of this chromy, silvery logo, so that way almost everything on the side except for the wheels and the blinker are not going to be chrome anymore. So let's get started. So here is the front hood decal that we started to get out. It's got this beautiful cross on it just in time for Easter. So I always wanted like a hood decal, but I want something a little bit different. So I think this is going to look great, and hopefully the install goes smooth. It's nice and big. I wanted one really big. Let's get it on there. It ain't perfect, we ain't professionals, but from back here, it's beautiful. We somehow rolled right here a little bit, but not worried about that. There's a few bubbles here and there, but overall, compared to, we were getting a little worried there in some of those parts where it was getting a little bit bubbly, especially in this region. It was getting it got stretched out a little bit, but I don't know, tips and tricks. If you're struggling with a spot, come back with it, and then the second half when we cut it, and then have lubrosity. Yeah, some even just like water or soapy water, spray it as you're peeling it just to help cool it down a little bit, because it's hot. Also do it when it's hot enough so it will stretch instead of crack. Oh, and then in the back, this was the goal, so it comes all the way. Some of them, the design, they stop right here. I didn't really want that. I wanted to like kind of incorporate with the black here. So we got it over the edge and then clean underneath and then wrapped it. It just barely gets over in the middle, but I think it'll be great. And we'll see how it holds up over time, but now we're gonna move on to the bedside decals. It's like gray.
What was it supposed to be?
Matte black.
I'm gonna go on record and say that that is not matte black.
Okay, so we took it off. So I guess we'll have to do some investigating. Somehow I messed up, whoever, it doesn't matter. Ended up getting the wrong thing. I swore I ordered the matte black, you know, matte black to match everything else. Somehow I got matte gray. We put it on there, we were sitting in the shade just talking. We're like, yeah, that's ugly. Like, there's no reason why we should do the other side. We should, like, you know, reach out, be like, hey, somehow messed up, got the wrong thing, blah, blah, blah. So we took it off because the truck looks good right now. Let me show you. See? Without the bed decal and with the hood decal, it looks really good. So we took it off. We're gonna remove the bed decal on the other side, but it looks really good. So like literally from the side, the only things that need to be chrome deleted is the blinker and the wheels. So Anyway, we're gonna remove the other side and then we're gonna call it quits. Well guys, gonna wrap up the video. Unfortunately, the bedside decals did not work out. We'll get that in the future. So those will be black, but hey, it was a good trial run, honestly. We like know how to do it now, and I have experience with like cutting around the fenders and stuff. But yeah, obviously that gray was way too gray instead of like a dark gray. So like, it wouldn't have looked good, and it honestly looks really good right now, like I said, without the bedside decals. But anyway, that's enough. I'm going to Tennessee next weekend and Maryland the next weekend, so I've got some off-road trips planned, and I'm pretty excited, and hopefully I don't murder the truck enough to where I can't drive it home. So anyway, but I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I posted a gas tank skid install video last week if you're interested in learning about that, and then trip videos coming up in the future and some vlogs and stuff. So I love you guys. See you guys next time. God bless. Bye. It's like gray.
What was it supposed to be?
Matte black.